Sai Hiraram everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiralsha, today we are making tomato curry, a tangy, comforting dish that feels so homely. The ingredients used in this dish are gram flour, singi, carrot, potato, ladyfinger, cluster beans, tomatoes, tamarind, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, green chili paste, turmeric, salt, asafoetida, water, and oil. Now, in order to make this curry, first cut the tomatoes in half and check that there is no infestation inside. Place the tomatoes in boiling water with a little bit of salt and allow them to cook. Once the skins begin to separate, it means the tomatoes are ready. Switch off the heat and strain the tomatoes from the water. Keep the water aside. Ensure that it is not thrown away as it is the same water that will be used later in the curry. Once the tomatoes cool slightly, remove the skins and grind them into a smooth paste. Now heat some oil in a thick bottom pan and add cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds. Add a little bit of gram flour and mix it gently. Now add green chili paste, garlic paste and curry leaves. Add the prepared tomato gravy and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now add chopped cluster beans, carrot, singi and potatoes. Pour in some water and cover the pan until the vegetables get cooked. You can check the potatoes with a knife. If the potatoes are cooked, the other vegetables will be cooked as well. Now add fried ladyfinger and tamarind water to this. Mix everything well and allow the curry to come to a good boil. Your tomato curry is now ready. It is tangy, full of flavor and so comforting. Serve this with hot steamed rice. It pairs beautifully with crispy aloo took as well. This simple tomato curry is brought to us with the blessings of Sai Hiralsha. Sai Hiraram.